Hi everyone, today I will show you how I create this simple animation in Figma. You can download Figma file and repeat tutorial with all assets. Link will be in description. Year 2024, the year of the wood dragon. So I go to Leonardo AI and generated couple images. And I've got my results: clock with Christmas tree, dragon and Christmas balls. After that, paste in Photoshop, isolate all these images, export as PNG and paste in Figma. And this is starting point from Figma file. So let's start from background. With Alt, I copy and move background inside this frame, increase size, then with Alt, copy and move to the right. Then select all these images and with Scale tool, K, increase size like this and place in center. I grouped these images, rename in left panel like background and move this group under other layers in layer panel. Then move transparent image with dragon, increase size and again place in center like this. Now I want to create Christmas balls that will move when you hover with cursor. Let's move balls to the right, and this is PNG files with same size. So I select all these layers, go to top panel and create component set. And let's rename this component to ball. Then with Alt I copy first component and move to the right. Now I need to create animation, so I will create one more component and add variant. And I need two more variants for this ball. So I have 4 components and now we can connect them for animation. Let's move this test frame for animation to the right, and now I can copy and move first variant on this frame. And now I want to check all changes in window preview mode. So I select frame and move to the right and press Shift space. And this is window preview mode. Now I can animate elements and see all the changes live in this window. And now I have my image without any animation. So let's add some changes. Select first component, go to top panel, import type tab and connect first variant to second one. In settings it will be mouse enter. Then I select smart animate, easy in out and duration 500 milliseconds. Now I go to second variant and select component inside this variant. I rotate component counterclockwise and move to the right a little bit. Then select variant and connect to next variant. In settings it will be after delay, so it will be automatically played with 0 milliseconds. Settings will be same: smart animate, easy in out and duration 500 milliseconds. Same I will do for next variant. Just rotate component, connect to next variant with same settings. After delay 0 milliseconds, smart animate, easy in out and duration 500 milliseconds. And after this step I need to go to first variant. So I select component, move counterclockwise, then select variant and connect to first variant in this component. Settings will be the same. After delay 0 milliseconds, smart animate, easy in out, duration 500 milliseconds. Now I can check this animation, go to window preview mode, reload, and when I hover we will have this animation for Christmas ball. And after that I can change color for this component and use different colors from my first component. So let's go to this frame, with Alt copy component and move down. Then I go inside this component, select component with ball and in right panel change component to next color. Now let's go to window preview mode and let's check how it works. Now I have these Christmas balls with different color. And after that I can place these components to my frame. So just move these components with balls on this image with a dragon. And I will place in position maybe right here, this one right here, and red ball maybe right here. Now balls looks very big and I need to change size. I can change size in components, but also I can just select these components with balls, select scale tool, and with Alt Shift change size. Then place in same position as before. And now the proportions of the balls looks a little better in relation to the dragon. Now let's go to full preview mode and let's see how it looks on big screen. Press Z to fill this project, and when I hover, we have animation for these Christmas balls. And to create it more interesting, let's add video to add more effects. If you like my tutorials, you can check my first Figma animation course. In over 20 hours of video, you will learn how to create eye-catching animated website design prototype and advanced technique for animating and cool interactions. Link will be in description. On pixabay.com I found these looped lines, but I want to create this in green color. So I go to Photoshop, paste this video, and in right panel add adjustment layer for hue saturation, select colorize and increase saturation and move hue color maybe to this position. Then add one more adjustment layer with levels and move dark to the right and light color to the left. After that, render this video as MP4 file and paste in Figma. Let's place video inside this frame and let's go to window preview mode. Now I have only black color and these lines. So now I need just change blending mode. So let's move this window mode on the top, and in right panel let's change blending mode to screen. And now we have these changes in window preview mode. After that, I need to duplicate this video and one of this video flip horizontal. So with Alt I just duplicate this video in my frame, then right click, flip horizontal. After that, let's select these videos, group, and rename this group to lines. After that, I need to increase size and move this group with the videos under layer with dragon. Now we can go to full preview mode and check how it looks. And now I want to add title with blur effect. I'll take this title and split it into two lines. One line will be green wood and second one dragon. After that, place title inside frame, group, rename to title and increase size to make it huge. Then move group with title under image with dragon. For blur effect, let's select layers with title and go to right panel. In fill, let's change opacity to 2%, then go to effects and select background blur. And right here we can change settings for this blur effect. To make it more visible, let's zoom in and in settings change to 17. Now let's add stroke. So let's change color to gradient, and for left color in this gradient we can select color from dragon image, maybe this one. Same we do for right color for this gradient and change opacity to 0. Then select left color and change opacity to 60. After that, in full preview mode we will have this nice blur effect for title. And now I want to add some snow to this project. So again, I go to pixabay.com and found snow, but this video with green background and I need black background. Again, paste a video in Photoshop. In layer panel, add adjustment layer, hue saturation, and move saturation to the left. Then add levels and move black to the right and white to the left. Now I have snow with black background. Again, render as MP4 and paste in Figma. Move this video inside frame and in left panel move a layer under lines group. After that, go to window preview mode and we will have this snow. Again, select layer with this snow, go to right panel and change blending mode to screen. After that, change opacity a little bit and let's go to full preview mode to see final result. Tell me please in comments if you like these quick tutorials. Have a nice day and see you in next year.